Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free Milenkovic 93 OVR center back. Let's claim reward 10 of Scout Travel feature in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Centurions event and then jump into find Centurions chapter. This is the last chapters. In this chapters, all you have to do is collect the scout point you can get or you can earn by exchange with the players, or you can use this scout searching by playing this head-to-head versus attack or versus AI. You can claim 100 if you win it, 100 scout points, and use the scout points to scout travel. So you need 50 scout travel to move. As you can see, I already move 9 times. I already complete the laps 9 times. One of the reward is reward 10. Possible reward, you can get 85 plus OVR mixed fashion player, 50 scout point is Milenkovic 93 center back from Serbia, play for Fiorentina, and also 1,250 jumps. This is a possible reward for you. Let's see. Tap free button, tap to open, and let's see, we got player, Serbian player center back, play for Fiorentina in Serie A. We got Milenkovic. So good luck, maybe you are lucky. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.